is my favorite song ever.
I've really found that music creates a soundtrack to your life. You know, as I think about memories in my past, I always think about the music that accompanied those. I just felt being able to do something in music and take my passion and expertise in hardware, software, technology was an amazing opportunity. And so that's why I'm at SONOS. At SONOS, we're all about the experience. And the experience, sometimes people will look at simplistically as what does the app look like, or what does your product do? But really, it's the encapsulation of the way that any customer interfaces with your company. And one important part of that is service. One of the things I've always said is that our customer service team is a secret weapon. In March of last year, 90% of our business shut overnight. All of the physical brick and mortar retailers were closed. And so we were faced with a real challenge. How do we keep the business going? And thankfully, we had done a lot of work with Salesforce in advance, and we were able to pivot our business to direct to consumer. We grew our DTC revenue 84% year over year. It was absolutely incredible. It went from 12% of our business to 21% of our business almost overnight. Many years of growth in 1 year. And we were able to support that thanks to all of the work with Salesforce. Service Cloud really enabled us to provide service from anywhere in the midst of the pandemic, and that helps us as we think about how we provide service in the future. If you would have asked me a year ago if we could have transitioned to having all of our customer service people at home and addressing all of our customers' needs, I would have thought you were crazy. But we were able to do it thanks to Salesforce. I think it helps to be able to make sure that people are on the same page. That's probably what we strive for every single day. And certainly the Salesforce 360 helps us in terms of being on the same page and being aligned on what's happening with our customers. The thing that I've learned through this period, we never are quite sure what people are capable of. And I've just learned that people are capable of so much. And I'm so proud of the way that our team rose to the occasion to serve our customers and drive our business. It is absolutely incredible. And I'm just so grateful for everybody's work.